Have you ever heard of the Mah Meri? Most people haven't. A survey conducted throughout my exhibition, nearly 95% of visitors admitted they have never heard of their name, and that's exactly the problem here. The Mah Meri, one of Malaysia's 18 indigenous tribes, are known for their sacred mass and spiritual rituals. Yet, as modernization grows, their identity and struggle remain overlooked. But what if art and technology could come together to breathe new life into what's fading? Hence, I've created an interactive projection mapping experience that brings Mah Meri's spiritual stories to life through motion design and infrared sensor technology. This project aims to preserve and share the beautiful culture of the Mah Meri tribe through immersive interactive storytelling presented in a modern, engaging way to inspire the younger generations. The installation is projected across two intersecting walls with a 3D spiritual mass at the center, transforming the corner into an immersive space where Mah Meri's stories comes alive. As user shines the infrared torchlight, a calibration system tracks its movement and sends data to TouchDesigner, which triggers visual, revealing the hidden layer of the Mah Meri's spiritual world. The torchlight becomes a bridge between technology and tradition that invites younger audiences to rediscover a forgotten cultural identity of Malaysia. And this project hopes to create new opportunities for the Mah Meri community through greater visibility, recognition, and cultural appreciation.